Let's be real. We all want to look and feel our best, but life gets in the way. Dull skin, tired eyes, or just feeling off? Good news. In just 1 week, you can glow up physically and confidently with simple, effective steps. Let's get started. 1. Skin reset, clarity in 7 days. Your skin is your canvas. Start with a double cleanse every morning and night to remove impurities. Use a gentle exfoliant twice this week, not daily, to slough off dead cells. Follow with a hydrating serum and a lightweight moisturizer with SPF 30+ during the day. At night, swap SPF for a peptide-based cream to repair while you sleep. Avoid new products. Consistency is key. By day 7, your texture will refine, and that inner glow, it'll start peeking through. 2. Hydration, the invisible game changer. Water isn't just a habit, it's your secret weapon. Aim for 2.5 liters daily. Add lemon or cucumber for a detox boost. Dehydration dulls your skin, saps energy, and even affects posture. Keep a bottle with you at all times. Pro tip, drink a glass before every meal. By day 3, you'll notice brighter eyes, softer skin, and a surge in vitality. Move like you mean it. You don't need hours at the gym. 10 minutes of high-intensity interval training, EAT, daily will kickstart circulation, reduce puffiness, and release endorphins. Focus on full-body moves. Jump squats, mountain climbers, planks. Not a fan of cardio? Dance it out. The goal? Get your heart pumping. Improved blood flow, it's a natural flush in your cheeks and sharper muscle definition. 4. Food is fuel. Eat for radiance. Ditch the processed snacks. Prioritize whole foods, leafy greens, berries, nuts, lean proteins, and omega-3 rich fish like salmon. These reduce inflammation, plump skin, and boost collagen. Cut excess sugar and salt. They cause bloating and breakouts. Prep simple meals, avocado toast with eggs, grilled chicken salads. Your face and energy levels will thank you by day 5. 5. Sleep, your nightly reboot. 6 hours isn't enough. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. 1 hour before bed, dim lights, avoid screens, and sip chamomile tea. Use silk pillowcases to minimize friction on hair and skin. Sleep on your back to prevent face creases. Well-rested eyes look brighter and your body repairs itself faster. 6. Posture. Stand tall, own your space. Slouching hides your confidence. Practice stacking your spine. Strengthen your core with 2-minute plank holds daily. When you walk, roll your shoulders back and lift your chin. 7. Grooming. Details make the difference. Tame brows with a clear gel. Trim split ends or slick hair into a polished bun. File nails short and clean, neutral polish or buffed natural. Apply a hydrating lip mask nightly. Use a teeth whitening pen for 60 seconds daily. These micro tweaks signal effortlessness, even if you're rushing. 8. Wardrobe. Edit, don't buy. You don't need new clothes, curate what you own. Pick 5 versatile outfits in neutral tones, black, white, beige, with clean lines. Steam wrinkles, tuck shirts, and add one statement piece, a belt, watch, or structured blazer. Avoid logos, opt for tailored fits. Lay outfits out the night before. Looking put together takes minutes but elevates every interaction. 9. Confidence. Fake it till you become it. Stand in front of a mirror daily and say one affirmation aloud. I am capable. I own this room. Power poses. Hands on hips, chest open for 2 minutes, boost testosterone and lower cortisol. Make deliberate eye contact in conversations. Speak 10% slower. Confidence isn't arrogance, it's quiet assurance. By day 7, it'll feel less like acting and more like truth. 10. Mental detox. Declutter your mind. Stress ages you. Journal for 5 minutes every morning. Dump anxieties onto paper. Meditate for 5 minutes using a guided app. Focus on breath work. Delete toxic social media accounts. Replace scrolling with a walk or podcast. Mental clarity reduces tension in your face and sharpens your gaze. Inner calm radiates outward. Oral hygiene upgrade. A bright smile is a universal language. Brush twice daily with a soft bristled electric toothbrush, floss after meals, and scrape your tongue to banish bacteria. Rinse with alcohol-free mouthwash. For coffee drinkers, use a whitening toothpaste with baking soda. Schedule a dental checkup. Prevention is key. Fresh breath and white teeth make every interaction memorable. 12. Hair revival rituals. Healthy hair was instant glam. Wash with lukewarm water to prevent dryness. Apply a scalp scrub weekly to remove buildup and boost growth. Use a microfiber towel to blot. No rubbing. Air dry when possible. If heat styling, prep with thermal spray. Sleep with a silk bonnet or braid hair to avoid tangles. For shine, spritz rose water or apply a drop of jojoba oil to ends. 13. Signature scent strategy. Fragrance is invisible armor. Test scents on your wrist: citrus for energy, vanilla for warmth, musk for mystery. Apply to pulse points, wrists, neck, on dress. Reapply midday with a rollerball. Layer matching body lotion for longevity. A signature scent leaves a lingering impression of sophistication. 14. Mindful breathing breaks. Use mindful breathing exercises to calm your mind. Practice box breathing during stressful moments. Try alternate nostril breathing to balance energy. 5 minutes daily reduces cortisol, prevents stress breakouts, and sharpens focus. 15. Gratitude amplifier. Gratitude softens your energy. Each night, jot down 3 wins, big or small. Text a friend something you appreciate about them. Smile at strangers. It releases dopamine. Gratitude reduces tension in your face and makes you magnetic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.